Today's आदरणीय इनविटेड चीफ गेस्ट, आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम, शरणबंदन, नमस्कार. Today we are here to be the witness of vindication of two of our magazines with different editions in Gujarati language and English language. We developed these magazines in the midst of Corona, and also our school organized 14 Gyan Shatra of teachers with the theme Narayan Vidyalaya in the top 10 schools of our nation, India, in which 62 teachers participated in various different themes and present their innovative ideas and innovative skills in teaching and learning. So this is a matter of celebration today, which we are celebrating here in this holy place, in the presence of eminent personalities over here. Our school represents almost around 10 competitions on state level in various categories and various themes, on which you all are witness here. You all saw that so many personalities and students receiving here so many prizes for various competitions. And what is the matter of celebration, that is, the jury and the twosome of our students and teachers become a source of inspiration for you, for me, and for our school. Student of Standard 11, Kishan Rathod, take participate in Karuna competition, Karuna essay competition on global level, and wave the flag of Narayan Vidyalaya on global level. So please applause for him. ये तो सबने सुना ही होता है कि स्टूडेंट्स विल टेक पार्ट इन सो मेनी कॉम्पिटिशंस एंड मेक आवर स्कूल प्राइड. बट जब कोई टीचर बच्चों को प्रेरणा देने के लिए खुद आगे आता है और ग्लोबल लेवल पे पार्टिसिपेट करता है, ऐसे एक शिक्षिका श्री हमारे बीच उपस्थित है, मिस शीला मैम, जिन्होंने ग्लोबल लेवल पे पार्टिसिपेट किया और स्कूल का परचम लहराया, तो उनके लिए वंस अगेन अप्लॉज फॉर हर. मैडम से इंस्पायर होके वी आर डिसाइडेड कि इन आवर अपकमिंग एकेडमिक ईयर हम अप्रोक्स 10 कॉम्पिटिशंस में हमारी स्कूल को ग्लोबल लेवल पे लेके जाएंगे और नारायण विद्यालय का परचम पूरी दुनिया में लहराएंगे. In the last, I stop my words here and wishing to you all, because this function is for you. This function for the shiniest, brightest and the glorious stars of Narayan Vidyalaya. आप सब आने वाले बोर्ड्स में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करें and remember the thing, early to bed, early to rise. Read things well, then test and improvise. You have a time span of 20 days within the stretch of your board examination, and today is the day of celebration. So read, revise and improvise whatever you read and revise. So I hope you do the well in our upcoming board examination और आप सभी नारायण विद्यालय का परचम दुनिया में लहराएं. Thank you so much.